guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As I said in the last video that was the part 1 and there will be a part 2 soon, and this is the part 2 of the first video, and which is about the try on haul from Shein. Yes, मैंने last video में दिखाया था that we have a full bag of clothes which we will be trying in this video, and without any further wait, let's get started. सो आज इसी लाइट के साथ मैनेज करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज नेचुरल लाइट ख़त्म हो चुकी है एंड मैंने ये लगाई है मेरी एक्सटर्नल लाइट. सो येस, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. So from here you will be seeing one side all my try-ons and the other side I'll put the screenshot of the actual product so that you will be able to see how the products looks here and how it looks on me. Moving on to the first one, this is a black hem ruffle top priced at 780 rupees. I'll be sharing round of prices for each. It has an amazing mesh on the upper part and sleeves which gives it a perfect look for a date night. This top can be styled with narrow jeggings. Oh, what to say about this one? I always love two-tone dresses and this one looks pretty cool with the ruffled sleeves and the belt. Not to miss the button details, it adds more style to the outfit. This dress is priced at 1360 rupees. This can be styled with a high ponytail and some earrings, pearl earrings, not to miss the main detail, that is pearl earrings, and with oxfords. Moving on to the next one, I was super excited for this one as this has fringes, but I did not like the dress much. The material looks totally different from the pictures. The material color and the color of the fringes is totally different. The dress material is matte and the fringes are shiny, and above all it did not fit me well. I personally think that they could use a better material for this dress. This dress is priced at 756 rupees. Only if the dress material was good, I would have loved dancing in it. Coming to this one, I loved every bit of this red dress, be it the material, design, fit, everything. The color looks totally different from the pictures. The actual color is a bit brighter red. This dress is priced at 980 rupees and this one is perfect for parties and could be styled with diamond and black strappy heels. I totally loved it. Next up we have this mesh cut out front mock neck dress. This was supposed to be a bodycon dress, but because I have smaller bumps and bigger tummy, it is not fitting me well. When I ordered this dress, I thought that it was a shimmery dress with glitters or sequins on it, but mera mamu ban gaya. This has some kind of silver print on it which nowhere looks like glitters, but still I like the dress. It is a sexy dress if styled properly. This cost me 855 only. The neck detail and the sexy net they have used gives this dress a pretty hot look, and yes, I loved it. This is one of my favorite products from Dubai haul. It fits me well, it looks amazing and is not uncomfortable at all. This is a floral print notched neckline ruch split thigh dress. This could be styled with curls and some white stilettos, or in my case kitten heels too. This is a perfect dress for a summer brunch date. I got this one for 1550 rupees and इतने में बहुत अच्छा है. इंडिया में मुझे किसी भी प्लस साइज स्टोर पे ऐसा ड्रेस नहीं मिला है अभी तक which fits me that well. And you will also agree that the fitting of this dress is much better than others. Look at the details of this one. This is a perfect dance party outfit. The color came a little too bright, but I still love this dress because I got this on an offer. This cost me only 70 rupees. Isn't it unbelievable? Yes, it was on some offer and I got this only for 70 rupees. This dress is a little too long for me, so I might get it a bit short. See, it looks great here, right? Oh god, this one is the worst product of this haul. very low quality. Looking at the image on the website, I thought this top would be a great addition to my party wear, but all my dreams are shattered now. Seriously, I cannot wear this to the mall also. The material is okay, but the lace they have used is very low quality. I bought this one for 730 rupees and it's not at all worth it. Moving on to the next, this skirt is priced at 950 rupees and I think it is not worth the price because we can get similar products on Myntra for a cheaper price. I like the skirt, but I will have to get it a little shorter from the waist side and I expect it to look great after it. Not to miss, I like the detailing of the material. This skirt can be styled with a beige shirt and an ankle length gladiators, but still, this is the product which can be found on Myntra also. Coming to this beautiful red floral sheer mesh top and lantern sleeve top. This top has a beautiful exaggerated sleeve pattern which I like the most about it. It has details of flowers. This top was priced at 1420 rupees. It might sound expensive, but I'm sure that we won't get this kind of top in plus size here in India. It's a thumbs up from my side and I loved the details of it. It can be styled with pants, whichever is suitable to your body type. I am wearing a narrow jeggings. Also, not to miss, this top is quite long. You can style it as desired. I have lined up all my favorites towards the end. Look at this beautiful bottom with fringes, perfect for a dance date or a disco night. This is priced at rupees 1150 only. This could be styled with a red shirt or a white satin shirt with a belt on the waist and a beautiful black stilettos. Oh god, I forgot to mention, this is not a skirt. Yes, this is a skirt. और ये स्कर्ट मुझे इतना पसंद आया कि मैं इसको पहनने के बाद पागल हो चुकी थी. मैं इतना डांस किया इसको जो कि थोड़ा बहुत मैंने यहाँ पे भी डाला है. I'm bringing sexy back, yeah. This is a backless lantern sleeve silver glitter crop top. It has my heart. I loved it. It can be styled with skirts, leather pants, loose pants, anything. I can never imagine getting any top like this in India for 800 rupees, that also in plus size. I am a plus size and it is very hard to find good, trendy, fashionable tops for myself. I think I might get another color in this one from Shein. And yes, very happy with this purchase. Look at the back of this. I never thought that this 800 rupees purchase would be so much fun. This has beautiful detailed sleeves and the back. यार मेरा तो दिल आ गया है. Look at the bow it forms. Look at the formation of the top. It hides your bra straps also. Last one. Drum roll please. We have this beautiful lapel neck jumpsuit with rhinestone tassel details. This outfit is priced at 1845 rupees and I totally loved it. I wore this for a girls outing and trust me, many of them asked me which brand it is. The only drawback of this jumpsuit is that it doesn't have any touch button or hook button on the neck side. So for that I'll have to put a safety pin so that the neckline doesn't look too deep. Otherwise, I loved this outfit. This is my favorite purchase from Shein, lol, second favorite, and this one fits me so well. This could be styled with boots or rhinestone tie-ups. This is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video, and I'll see you in my next. Till then, bye.